All right, yo, what's up, y'all? So recently I made a little mock-up options menu thing here. Yeah, let's just jump right into it. Right, so like I said, this is just a mock-up options menu, and if you don't know what that is, it's basically what an options menu would look like in a real game, but like minus the functionality, you know? So it's not actually like hooked up to any code or anything. There's no actual thing going on in the background. This is basically just me piecing together a bunch of like assets to make something, a little something something. So yeah, here we got our little display menu here. I have made this little image asset of Hatsune Miku. Don't ask why I'm using this character. This is just, I just wanted a random character, so this is the first thing that came to mind. So yeah, we can scroll this little thing here, this little slider, and adjust the brightness. Like I said, there's no functionality, so there's no actual brightness being changed. It's all a prototype, all looks. We got the sound menu, background music. You can adjust that along with the sound effects and voice, and then you hit back. And by the way, it all saves too at the same time. So you don't got to worry about like adjusting something and then backing out and then losing all of that. Here in controls, you just tap it, type what you want your control to be, things like that. I made it so that you can't actually type like more than one letter. So you just get one character per little space thing. And yeah, and then we have the back button, of course. So we go back to this little fake little main menu that I made up. I don't actually have a main menu because this isn't a part of a real game. This is just, like I said, a little mock-up thing. So yeah, this is just a little waste of space here. But just to give the back button some functionality, I made that. I actually wanted to have a background that was animated, but I couldn't quite figure out how to get a video to play and loop in the background. So unfortunately, I have to use these like really stagnant images that kind of make the scene a little bit boring, but it is what it is for now. I'll figure it out for the next one, but this is what we have right now. So yeah, that was about it. Just wanted to make a quick little update video on my progress in my video game development, whatever. It didn't quite come out the way I wanted it to because I have like kind of limited knowledge and skill and experience as of right now, but this is kind of what I came up with nonetheless. So yeah, just wanted to try my hand at making like a UI display thing, you know, and not always trying to design gameplay, you know, because I'm always trying to make these big games, or maybe not big games, but just games in general. So I'm rather than trying to make a whole game, I'm trying my hand at just making small little pieces of games here and there, different parts. You know, next time I might do a main menu or something like that, just to try my hand at everything, you know. But I don't want to bore you with all that stuff. Thanks for watching, and I guess I'll see you on the flip side later.